Hello again and welcome to another tactics video. So before we begin, if you like this video, if you like to see videos like this, hit the subscribe button and grab your chainsword and smash the bell button with your chainsword right here, and you'll be notified of videos more like this one. You may have seen the previous tactic video. This one's going to be very similar but not the same. So don't worry, you haven't seen this video if you've seen the similar page as we was on last time. So it's using a lot of the same units, just a slight different tactic. Right, so where do we begin? So with the Armoured Grenediers protocol, or the frag grenade bomb, which is a bit of a giveaway there. Anyway, so with this tactic, what you're going to need is you're going to need a platoon commander. Keep them basic, if you will. This will work best. And what else do we need? So we need a, or an a, what's the word? I don't really know in this case. Where are we finding them? Gone too far, haven't I? You know I have. Come on. Next time we'll be slightly more professional, honest. The next thing you're going to need is an infantry squad. Again, as before, you can, if you wish, give them a bolt gun, give them a bolt pistol, plasma pistol, but it's not really going to come into play in this tactic, even less so than before. So you've got your 10 infantry squad, don't give them any specials or heavy weapons unless you think you're going to need them after this. Anyway, moving on. So what do we need now? We are also going to need a... Too far? Nope, not too far actually. Not far enough, even. We're also going to need our good old trusty... Nope, too far. Good old trusty Chimera. So with this, again, I suppose in this tactic you could actually give it a heavy flamer or double heavy flamer if you really wanted, but you could always keep it basic for the purpose of this tactic. So what do we need to do? So as before, we need to be on our turn within close to the enemy. So in this actual instance, it's going to be less than 12 inches. If you can get within 6 inches, then awesome. So it's going to be a tricky one, but it's doable in the long term. So what you're going to need to do is you are going to use, let's find it. It's a stratagem based one again. Back to stratagems. Where were we? It's not there, is it? It is, in fact, this one here. So it's one command point. It is Grenadiers. Use this stratagem before an Astra Millitarum infantry unit from your army shoots or fires Overwatch, which you can do in Overwatch as well. Cool. Up to 10 models in that unit are armed with grenades, can throw a grenade this phase, instead of only one model being able to do so. So obviously, let's go back to the... Oh, okay. So bonus points, you could use a second command point if you're able to. Now I forget the rules. As we did before, the mobile command vehicle, which basically means you can get the officer, which is the platoon commander, to issue an order out of the Chimera, which is going to make it slightly more effective. Where are we? So we're going to go to the infantry squad just to show the, there we go. So the frag grenade stats. Frag grenade, 6 inches. Grenade D6, and it's strength 3, so it's like a las gun basically. We used to las guns, let's stick with that. Basically see it as a D6 las gun. Obviously, as I've said, we'll go over the orders that you could use later on. So you're going to get anywhere between 10 as a minimum and 60 shots, which is a lot. It's a lot of dice. You could get somewhere roughly 50% of the time you're going to be hitting, so anywhere between 5, usually as a minimum, not definite, and 30 hits. It could be more, it could be less. You know how the dice go, but it's a lot of dice to bring to the table, 60 dice. And then you can use the platoon commander in the Chimera, and again, getting anywhere between either 6 and 12 hits, depending on how close they are to the enemy. No, that's a lie. 6 and 12 shots, or 3 and 6 hits. So for a grand total of strength 3 shots, you're going to get anywhere between 16 and 72. Strength 3 shots, so they're not awesome, but that's a lot of dice. You know, you can do a lot with 72 dice. So you're going to get anywhere between 8 and 36 hits in total. Now, if you are able to use that, don't look at the primary Sega, if you're able to use the other stratagem and you're able to get an order, now obviously you're not going to be using first rank, second rank fire. Now you could do the re-rolled ones to hit for the thingy, which is bring it down. You could do the take aim, which is pretty good as well. So you're re-rolling ones to hit, so there's a lot of dice. Now, some people better at maths might be able to answer that question, but I would go either one of those ones, as they'll help you the best. Now, obviously, 72 dice, re-rolling ones to hit is good, and then whatever the wounds are. I think it might be better to get your average hit rate up higher to start off with, but it depends on what you're going against. If you're going against low strength, low toughness, then do the hits. If you're going against really high wounding, then maybe do the rerolling ones to wound, because you're going to get them extra chances of sixes. Obviously, if I've been wrong in any way, shape or form, let me know. I'm a cool guy. No, I'm not. But anyway, comments down below, and if you've got any similar tactics like this one, let me know. I might even do a video for them later on. Thumbs up if you liked it, thumbs down if you didn't. Don't know how long this video's gone on. 6 minutes, wow, cracking. Yep, that's it. Thank you very much, guys.